Hi friends, this question is from test series 2. Subject name is Theory of Computation. Topic name is Finite Automata. And it is of 1 mark. Let us see the question. Consider a given DFA M. And this is the diagram for DFA M. Then what will be the complement of M? That is nothing but M bar. We have to find out the complement of M for options are option A, one more diagram, option B, one more diagram, option C, A and B, option D, none of this. Before we are going to solve this problem, we have to know about complement of this DFA. In complement, always final state is changed to the normal state and normal state is changed to the final state. In this diagram, this is normal state and this is final state. So this final state is changed to the normal state and normal state is changed to the final state. This is diagram. Here it is normal state, right? It is final. So complement is nothing but this normal state is changed to the final state. These are all normal state and these are all changed to the final state, and it is final state and it is changed to the normal state, and remaining all those things will be the same. That is if it is 0 value, then it has to come to the final state, like that. Its representation is here, so it will be the same and only states representation will be different. It is nothing but complement of M, that is M bar, which is nothing but option B. Answer is option B. From this question, what we learn, how to find out the complement of a DFA. In this one, only one point we have to remember: only final state is changed to the normal state and normal state is changed to the final state. Thank you.